Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Desert Have a Garden. Today I just want to show you my quick spring fertilizing for citrus trees. So here you see my lovely lime tree. Has a rogue lime already on it. It's still really hard and it's not very bright green. But the plant is looking very lovely with all of its growth. And if we look over here, there are blooms already on the tree. You can see how pretty they are, and they're actually very fragrant. It smells really good. And right now it is February, the middle of February, and I want to make sure that I give this lime tree, oh, here's another lime. I want to give this lime tree some fertilizer so that it can put on lots of fruits as well as nice and tasty fruits. Last year it actually produced very heavily and it has grown even bigger since last spring. You can see it's kind of crazy growth right now. So what I'm going to do is I have this organic citrus plant food that I'm going to use, and it calls for 1/3 cup to be spread in the bottom where this plant grows. Now you can see we're in the desert, so out here we just have decorative rocks everywhere, and then we use some stones to make a little border around the tree, and then of course we have our good soil in here that we add all kinds of compost and stuff to, but I want to give it a little boost, so we'll get some fertilizer going. And because it's something we are going to be eating, I recommend always using organic. So you just sprinkle it around where it gets water. We actually have a leaky hose here, so this tree gets quite a bit of water from a leaky hose. And so you sprinkle around your fertilizer, and then you just gently work it into the top layer of the soil so as not to disturb the roots. And for some reason I can't find my garden fork today, so I'm using this little mini hoe. The kids often take the garden tools to go dig around and play with, and then I'm left with whatever I can find. Oh, a lizard just ran by. Don't know if you caught that or not. My youngest also likes to throw some of the decorative rocks into the soil here. When I get time, I pick them out. So citrus trees grow especially well in our hot climate. It makes very tasty, lovely fruits. And currently we have this lime tree and a Meyer lemon tree. The lime tree is in our backyard, and then we have the Meyer lemon in the front yard. And I can show you that tree next. So it looks like it's mixed in here, and then I'll just spray in some water. Come over here and turn it on. So just water it in a little bit. And over here I have Buddha watching over the yard and the garden and the kids. Now I'm back in the front yard with the Meyer lemon tree, and you can see that this little tree is in full bloom right now. I wish you could smell it. It smells absolutely fabulous. And this tree kind of had a rough year just because someone accidentally backed into it with a trailer and kind of pushed it over. So you can kind of see that it's a little bit crooked, but it's a survivor. So the tree is looking really nice. Now Meyer lemon trees don't grow quite as big and they aren't as productive, but they do make delicious lemons that are often used more for the lemon zest than they are for the actual lemon juice. So here we are with our 1/3 cup again. Just gonna sprinkle it around. and then work it into the soil and water it in just like the others. So I won't bore you with doing this all over again, but I'll give you a finishing shot of those pretty little flowers. And please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel for more updates.